Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Juma. Make sure to subscribe, turn on my post notification so that you can be notified anytime I upload. So currently I'm going to town. This week is my birthday week. So my birthday is on the 14th. Today is 10th. Yeah, so my birthday is this week and I have a few errands to run. Yeah, I was a bit uncomfortable. Some people were on the road. So I'm going to look for a dress, and I'm also going to look for some makeup because mine has run out, and also to do some shopping. So I'm over at Maria's place. That's why the environment is beautiful and different. Yeah, so I thought I should start this vlog here because I think for the majority of the day I'll be busy and I don't know if I'll be allowed to vlog. The sun is so hot. So my outfit for the day is simple. Black sweater dress, this whatever that is, dress and sneakers, and then I have this bag. Yeah, so guys, let me go over to, I'm starting off with Naivas because I saw some really nice makeup there. Nikikosa, I'll have to go to Nakuru Cosmetics, and then niende kwa Jose. I ordered a dress but it was so expensive, so I don't know if I get a cheaper one I will get it, but if I don't then we'll have to get a cheaper one. Yeah. Yeah, so if I don't get that one, I'll have to get a cheaper one. Yeah, so watch out twende, and then I'll see you guys when I'm there.
Bonke, ebu pick a slice and get comfortable.